Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your WeTV password. For that, just open your WeTV app, and there you need to go to your account and tap on login button, and you can log in with your and there you can find social media from which you can log into your app. But if you don't have, if none of these are associated with your WeTV, tap on phone or email button, and you need to enter your phone number or email and tap on next button. And when prompted to enter your password, tap on forgot password option, and they will send you a reset link or OTP code. If it is code, just paste it over here. If it is reset link, click on that link and it will take you to another website. From there you can create a strong new password, and that is how you can recover your WeTV account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.